Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the 84mm Coyote Brown Cadet. This was made in summer 2015 for the Blade Show by Victorinox for swissbianco. It's a limited edition, 100 pieces only. Typical tools of the Cadet: we see the 2-layer Swiss Army knife. The bottom layer we have the main blade and the nail file. The top layer are the opener tools. We have the nice Coyote Brown color on the A-lock scales together with the red and silver shield. On the back side we have the engraving plate, and at the end there is of course the split ring on this Cadet variation. The item is currently in the web shop at swissbianco.com. It is a limited edition, 100 pieces, and once they are sold they are gone. That much about the Coyote Brown 84mm Cadet.